Bro, you're oh, bro, that shit hard, bro. No way.
Damn, this shit just woke me up, bro.
The day has finally come. I'm not gonna be the only bagged person in the group. Jan's car is finally getting bagged, but the thing is, none of our friends know that we are actually installing it. It's just gonna be me, Jan, and Matthew, and the three of us are actually just gonna install his bags, and then at the end of the day, or maybe if we finish early, we're gonna surprise him. If not, we'll surprise him the next day. But we're gonna surprise all our friends with Jan's new bag install. Alright, y'all, I didn't really get a good look at this, but this is Jan's setup. We actually did this yesterday. Jan's kind of going for more of like a... Jan cares about his setup more than all of us, I guess. He actually got some nice, this suede here from Hobby Lobby, but he's basically just mounting everything. All that's gonna be hidden, but he's just mainly gonna show off his tank here. But anyways, this is his main setup, and we're actually gonna start it now. We actually got kind of parked here, or Alex, you guys might know him. You guys might follow him on Instagram or something with this really cool back 370Z. He's gonna help us out. Last time we had Chris Borges help me out. Now Jan's getting Alex here to help him out. So every time is different. So if you guys haven't noticed, we actually have the shrunk out. We have all the harnesses and wires here. Controller here. We're now just routing the power line to the battery here. And it's pretty cool. I got this tripod here. It's really cool. This is actually nice. I can't wait to keep using this for future videos and make all our videos look super nice. But yeah, regards to that, we're actually just gonna route this to the front here. Pretty simple, just like usual. Through the trunk. And then we're going to route it down here. Bottom of this panel, just gonna tuck it away. And then we had to get it through the firewall, which is most likely the hardest part when it's getting it through there. Sorry to interrupt this video, guys, but I'm talking about this company called Biofuse. They're a family-owned business that have been really helpful in installing bags for us. They're not necessarily used just for bags. They're used for anything fuse related, anything you need, but we use Biofuse for the any electronic stuff on our cars, and they have not failed on us at all. They're a family-owned business here, and it's just fuse related. They have fuses, fuse taps, added fuses, anything you guys really need that's, you know, like I said, in like that just requires fuses. So I just want to give him a big shout out for helping us out, and I will leave a link in the description if you guys really want to check him out and just give him love. Anyways, back to the video.
Dude, what? Bro, this shit's an ass. Especially the top one's even worse. You think this one's bad? I think the top one's like 2 layers of that. Are you serious? No fucking way. What? Nowhere. What?
But everyone, it's been a very very long process. But anyways, we actually got the front struts in, we got the rear struts in, and they actually got the setup going on back here.
Because it connects. I tried it, it connects.
But yeah, we got everything routed. Just it's very messy out here, stuff everywhere, but almost done. Very close. And then we're gonna go surprise all the guys, because none of them know that we're doing this, because we actually told them that we're going to tell them when Jan's bags come in, and once they come in, they were gonna help us. But we decided to do it ourselves and surprise them. So let's get to that. But once we're finished with this, also we'll get our reactions to us airing up and out, and then we'll get everyone else's reactions.
Oh, wait, tuck. He's tucking.
Yeah?
We ain't tucking, we ain't fucking.
Oh, that's fucking sick.
Guys, day 2. Sadly, it got to day 2. Things weren't going our way, but basically the car is able to air up, air out. It's just some of the lines are in the wrong places, so we're just doing some minor adjustments now. But other than that, it's daytime, so we guys got some better lighting and footage for you guys. After this, and we fixed it, we are going to surprise everyone. So we'll go get to that surprising sequence. So see you guys in that. We are calibrating. Basically, what calibration does, it's basically just setting your car to your ECU, your manifold. All right, everyone, so we just finished. I didn't really record it. I said I was, but I didn't really. But our first contender for the surprise is Chris. So let's go surprise him right now. We're gonna be in a Target parking lot, and we got a little something planned, but Chris is the first one that... My trunk was fucking open. But anyways, Chris is the first contender, so we're gonna go surprise him and probably surprise Jericho tomorrow. And I don't know, we'll just see. Man's free.
Oh shit, I'm assuming it.
Man is free.
I'm free on live.
Hey, rip this shit off. You know what this is right here?
Oh, is it my bag?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am limitless today.
I'm going. You're limitless today.
On live, bro. Let's get it.
On God.
Sir.
Beautiful day, nice line of cars, you know?
Chilling.
Hello, guys. Jumbo boy. What's that like? Hola. Broken neck. Bro, I swear to God, I broke 4 necks. I broke 4 necks in one. Bro, Hey, you're back, my guy. Oh my. Bro, I knew it, bro. You had to lie to me too. Fuck. Nah, I gotta see this shit.
Oh my God.
It's dope, huh?
Broken neck. Bro.
It's okay, I got another surprise too. Another surprise right here.
What's that? Oh, they came in?
Yeah.
Bro, that shit's hard, bro. Hey, yo, this shit. Broken leg. This shit nice, bro. Bro, I'm mad. I wanted to help install it. Was it hard?
Yes.
It was.
2 days.
This is stupid.
2 days? Oh, you fucking bitch, bro.
No, we're hiding from everyone. You're the first one we told right now.
Yeah.
It was just us 3 and kind of parked help.
Oh, really? Bro,
just us
that's
4.
so nice. Look at that. Spacers?
Nah. Oh, for the rears, I'm not gonna have space. For the front, I am.
Bro,
I want like the
that's
tuck
nice.
fitment. Like this one is. Look at the other side. The other. I still need.
Don't worry, this is for right now.
It'll get fixed up. It's
Yeah.
fine.
We just want to get it done. It's kind of ugly right now, but
Where's your compressor? Oh, right there?
back there.
Oh, shit. Bye, my boy.
Yeah.
Bro, you know I gotta do the honors. It's tradition. I'm the only one, you know?
My boy's back.
Oh shit!
Nah, bro, that shit hard, bro. That shit hard.
Look at the back from the bottom. It's basically touching the ground.
Is that 0? That's not 0.
All right, there's Jericho. He's coming. He looks very tired. You got this?
Phone in me.
Oh shit!
You have one too?
Yeah.
He put the limitless banner on too.
Nah.
All right, let's go.
When'd you install it?
2 days ago.
Damn, this shit just woke me up, bro.
Dude, aired out? This is so nice.
Wait, what is?
It's tucking.
Whoa.
Took us 2 days.
Wondering why you were recording.
Cause Jan was like, oh, it'll be quick. I need a tune. Oh, I was trying to play it off with this. Yeah. So that's gonna be part of the video, and that's gonna be part of the video. Yeah.
That's how we got Chris too.
Yeah, that's how we got Chris. I'm like, hey, look, your banner came in.
What the heck?
Everyone's going back.
What?
Reaction of a high school.
When? Like 3 months ago?
It's 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
It's a Velociter boy now, not me anymore. I'm glad.
Yeah. We lost her.
With mine? There you go, there you go.
What if he bagged the Velociter and you never get to bag that for us?
Dude, if you bag Velociter faster than I bag, I'm gonna sell that for us, bro.
No way! No way! Dude! Remember that one picture I showed you that I wanted with the truck in the back?
Alright guys, that's the end of the video, and if you haven't already noticed, we just dropped some flight tags for you guys. We're very limited supply. This is all we got in this bag right here, just to sell to you guys. We're only doing it for $8. It's very kind of weird how we're gonna do it. Just DM me on Instagram if you want one, and we'll work out maybe like a Venmo or something. Since we're not like really big at all and we're super small, like really the main point of this is just to get our name out there and have you guys know that if you guys have this design, you guys are OGs. So we're very limited supply. We already sold a couple to a lot of friends and family, and the rest are for you guys. So hit me up on Instagram. These things are going fast. A lot of people like them around here in our local town, so just let me know if you guys want one. DM me on Instagram. We'll work out some payments, some shipping or whatever. We're not really used to this. I just really want the name to get out there. And for all you guys who don't know what Limitless stands for, it just stands for you to go above and beyond all limits and do what you always wanted to do. Get out of bed, go start that business, talk to the girl you've always wanted to talk to. It's, a life full of regret isn't a life truly lived. So go out there and be limitless. So if you guys really want one, because it stands for that, it's less of a car group, more of a movement. So I want you guys to just rep it. I really want the name to get out there. I would love to see one day, maybe at a car meet that's, a kid or one of you guys is repping Limitless, and I think it'll be great. But yeah, again, I know I said it a couple times already, but like I said, just remember me on Instagram. Oh, not DM me on Instagram, and it'll be right here somewhere, and we'll work out like a little Venmo situation and some shipping options for you guys, because we're not really a business or anything big right now. Just a really small OG drop for you guys. This is the first design we've ever made on jet tags. So if you have one of these, and in the future, and well, we'll know if you have one of these. This is the OG design. You've been here since the start, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for all the support. Later.